Make a great choice today with the 2016 Challenger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.